Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming you have admin access and a working internet connection. This matters because repairs need elevated rights and possible downloads. Next, create a Windows USB installer or recovery drive so you can boot into repair tools. Once done, back up critical files to an external drive or cloud. If a repair missteps, you keep data safe. Make sure recovery media matches your Windows edition to avoid license conflicts, and then restart into the USB to continue. You boot the USB installer and choose Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot, because Startup Repair can fix boot-related issues automatically. If the error persists, open Command Prompt. You need to load the software registry Hive from your Windows folder with regedit and regload commands. Once loaded, navigate to the Microsoft Software Protection keys and set agreement state to 1 and clear or set CMIT appropriately. This forces Windows to reevaluate license terms. Save changes. You now reboot and complete any out-of-box experience or activation prompts. This verifies the registry changes allow Windows to load the license terms. If you still see the error, use elevated command prompt and run slmgr. VBS/IP your product key then slmgr. VBS/auto to reapply activation, because re-registering licensing components often clears the block. Finally, if activation commands fail, perform an in-place upgrade using the installer to repair system files or contact Microsoft support. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a copy of error codes for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.